usually people ask me, a lot of sellers ask me, Mohamad, okay, do you treat the $500,000 home the same as like $2 million or $5 million home? And my answer is always yes, it's the same. Because we have a proven strategy that's been working. So the question is, why to mess with success? If we've been getting successful result for the $2 million home, for example, why want to change that when it comes to lower price range homes? The answer is always, I have the same plan, 31 steps I do to get a home sold, and it's been proven. In fact, up to today in my career, I had 0 homes I listed that I did not sell. In fact, I've sold every home I've listed. So if you're looking for an agent who actually can deliver results, feel welcome to give me a call at any time.